All right, let's get right into it. If you're still thinking about AI as just a simple text generator, you're already behind the curve. Today, we're talking about the new rules of content. Because by 2026, it's not going to be about just using AI, it's going to be about thinking like one. Let's break down what that actually means.
You know, this quote from Chris Cemental really hits the nail on the head. The best AI, the kind that actually works, doesn't try to replace you, it makes you better. Think about it. You don't want the machine flying the plane on autopilot with you in the back. You want to be the pilot, but with a way smarter dashboard.
And look, this isn't some distant sci-fi future we're talking about. By 2026, that's just around the corner. It's estimated that a staggering 75% of all marketing videos will be made with some kind of AI help. This is happening right now, which makes understanding this new playbook absolutely critical.
So yeah, we are smack in the middle of a massive change. AI is evolving from a simple tool that just follows our commands into something more, like a genuine strategic partner. One that can analyze, adapt, and honestly help you win the content game.
I mean, you've seen it, right? There are literally hundreds of AI tools flooding the market, so the real problem isn't finding one. The challenge is wrapping your head around the whole new strategy that these tools demand from us. So let's cut through the noise and take a quick tour of what a modern AI toolbox really looks like.
Okay, so let's get practical and break down the tools that are really shaping how we create things today. And a little spoiler alert, you can forget about finding one single tool that does everything. The real key is building a set of tools, a stack that works for you. Here are some of the heavy hitters you probably recognize. You've got these all-in-one design platforms like Visme AI and more focused writing assistants like Jasper. And yeah, the prices are all over the place, but just looking at a feature list or a price tag, it doesn't tell you the whole story, not even close. The smart way to think about this is to ask, what am I actually trying to do? If you're focused on creating amazing, on-brand visuals, presentations, graphics, reports, then your go-to tools are going to be platforms like Visme AI, Canva AI, and Gamma.app. They can turn a simple idea into a polished design in seconds. It's pretty wild.
And what about bringing those visuals to life? Well, for that, tools like Murf AI, Descript, and Pictory are absolute game changers. We're talking about creating super realistic voiceovers from a script, editing a video just by editing a text doc, or turning a huge article into a short, punchy video clip.
Now, this is where things get really interesting. The next big leap, the evolution that's happening right now, is moving beyond tools that just write or design what you tell them to. The new frontier is AI that actually thinks like a platform strategist.
So what does an AI strategist even look like in the real world? How does that work? To really get it, let's peel back the curtain and look inside a real platform that's doing this. It's called Socialcraft AI. We're going to see how it operates from the inside out. Okay, so the core idea behind Socialcraft AI is actually really simple, but it's so powerful. It's built on this one truth. What makes your content a huge hit on one platform will make it totally bomb on another. Every social media algorithm is looking for different things, and this tool is built to speak each of their unique languages.
This is a perfect example of that strategic difference. When it's creating content for LinkedIn, the AI knows it's all about dwell time, keeping people on the post. So it writes longer text and knows to put any links in the comments. But for X, totally different game. There, it's all about starting a conversation. So it automatically chops up ideas into these engaging threads that are designed to get replies.
And we see the exact same thing on visual platforms. For Instagram, the AI is thinking, how do I get saves and shares? So it scripts reels and carousels that feel valuable. But on TikTok, it's a completely different mindset. The AI treats TikTok like a search engine, packing the scripts with spoken keywords to get discovered.
So what this all boils down to is that the AI isn't just spitting out generic content. It's acting like a specialist for each platform. It's literally reverse engineering the algorithmic DNA to create content that is tailor-made to succeed in that specific environment.
Okay, so armed with that idea, let's zoom back out for a second. What does this strategic approach mean for every single person creating content? Well, it gives us a completely new playbook for how to succeed, not just today, but into 2026 and beyond.
These are the 4 new rules that really matter now. Number 1, retention over reach. Forget about how many people saw it. The new metric is how long you held their attention. Number 2, explicit signaling for AI.
You have to make it easy for the algorithm to know what your content is about, clear titles, captions, structure, all of it. 3, evergreen utility. Make stuff that actually helps people or solves a problem. The algorithms love useful, searchable content. And finally, number 4, platform native nuance. Just like we saw with Socialcraft AI, you have to respect the DNA of each platform. Stop cross-posting and start adapting.
So where's all this headed? You might think it's a battle between humans and machines, but that's not it at all. The future is hybrid. It's this seamless, powerful collaboration between our very human authenticity and AI's incredible efficiency.
And we're already seeing this take shape with something called AI UGC, or AI-assisted user-generated content. Imagine this. A brand takes a raw, authentic video from a real customer and then uses AI to instantly optimize it, add perfect captions, translate it into 10 languages, and share it with the world. It's the best of both worlds, real human connection, but at machine scale.
And that brings us right back to where we started. The technology is no longer just a simple tool. It's a strategic co-pilot ready to help you navigate the incredibly complex world of modern content and algorithms. The technology is here. It's ready. The real question is, are you ready to take the controls?